If you're trying to decide between Asana and ClickUp for your digital marketing team, you're in the right place. Both tools offer powerful features to streamline your workflows, but which one is truly the best for marketing teams? Let's break it down and stick around until the end because I'll share a better alternative that might just be the perfect fit for you. First off, let's talk about Asana. Asana is known for its simplicity and user friendly interface, making it easy to onboard new team members. You get task management, project timelines, and a bunch of integrations that can help keep your digital marketing team on track. It also has a solid reporting system, allowing you to keep tabs on your team's progress and project milestones. Next, Asana does a great job in managing multiple marketing campaigns with clear timelines. The ability to create different workspaces is useful if your marketing team works across several brands or projects simultaneously. But the downside here is that while it's straightforward, it doesn't have the same level of customization that some teams might need. Plus, if you need more advanced features, you'll have to move into premium plans, which can get pricey. Now, let's look at ClickUp. ClickUp has quickly gained popularity for its versatility. It offers everything Asana does and more. From time tracking to customizable dashboards and workflows, ClickUp seems to have thought of it all. You can track goals, assign tasks, set deadlines, and even create document templates, everything you need to keep your digital marketing efforts organized. It's great if your team requires flexibility and likes to tailor everything to their specific needs. The downside? Well, with all its customization comes complexity. ClickUp can feel a little overwhelming for teams that just want a simple task manager. There's a learning curve, and if your marketing team is small or just starting out, it could take some time to get used to. The third thing I want to touch on is collaboration. Both Asana and ClickUp allow for good team collaboration. Asana makes it easy to comment on tasks and mention team members, but ClickUp takes it a step further with real-time chat, built-in emails, and task dependencies that really come in handy for marketing teams who have to work together on projects that are heavily interdependent. The fourth thing to mention is integrations. Both tools integrate well with popular software, but ClickUp takes it a step further with a wider range of options, especially when it comes to apps and tools you might be using for digital marketing campaigns like Google Ads or social media platforms. If your team is using a mix of tools, ClickUp's open API allows you to integrate almost anything. Lastly, let's talk pricing. Asana has a free plan with limited features, and while it's enough for smaller teams, it lacks some of the more advanced functionality that could really help scale your marketing efforts. ClickUp's free plan is more feature-rich, but as mentioned before, it can become complex for teams just starting out. When you move to the paid plans, ClickUp offers more bang for your buck in terms of customization and advanced features. Both Asana and ClickUp have their pros and cons, and if you're just starting out or need a simple, easy-to-use tool, Asana might be the way to go. But if your marketing team is growing and you need a tool that can scale with you while offering more flexibility, ClickUp is a solid option. That being said, after trying both myself, there's a tool that stands out as a better alternative for marketing teams looking to get more done, faster. If you want a simpler, more efficient solution, take advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Give it a try and see if it's the right fit for your team.